Hi, my name is Noelle Martin. I'm a registered dietitian and mom of 3. On Instagram, you can find me at Motherhood and Meals, and today I'm so excited to join with Nature Fresh and bring you one of my favorite recipes. It's a fun twist on traditional pizza. It's called Tandoori Curry Chicken Pizza. We combine the flavor of curry with the sweet flavors of red peppers and mango and sweet onion. We bring in rich protein from chicken, and it all comes together to be a really delicious meal. So to start off, we need cooked chicken breast. There's a few different ways that you can do this. You can cook them ahead of time, just whole in the oven, and have them waiting for you when you get home from work. The other thing is you can slice them, dice them, whatever it is that the shape that you want your chicken breast to be in for the pizza. You can cook that off in a pan on medium heat in a little bit of water. I have done that today, so we have some cooked chicken breast here. I've also put in a little bit of diced garlic. If you don't have diced garlic at home, you could use a little bit of garlic powder or a little bit of garlic puree, or if you want to keep things more bland, you can leave it out. That's the wonderful thing about making your own recipe. You can choose what you want to put in and what you want to leave out. Once we have our cooked chicken breast and a little bit of garlic in the pan, we're going to add in tomato sauce. Now traditionally, you would put your tomato sauce right onto the pizza crust, but for this one, we're actually going to mix it in. Once the chicken is nicely covered, we are then going to add a little bit of our tandoori curry paste. Tandoori curry tends to be a little bit on the sweeter side than some curries. It has a little bit less kick to it, but still enough that you know that it's a curry. I really like this one for kids though, and for those who maybe don't like the strong curry taste that can sometimes be in dishes. If you'd like, you could add a little bit of grapeseed oil or avocado oil first, but you certainly don't have to. So we're going to go ahead and put our chicken on here. If you love to have your pizza to have a little more sauce to it, again, it's your recipe. You could put that sauce down first, or you could add more sauce to your pizza. You go ahead and make it the way you know that you and your family are going to enjoy it. So I'm actually just gonna add a little bit more sauce in here. Make sure we've got a nice amount of moisture. Get that chicken around. We don't want anyone fighting over who has the most chicken, right? Make sure there's lots there. And again, this is sliced. You could dice it. Okay, nice rich source of protein there. All right, then I like to drizzle just a little bit of maple syrup on top. Just giving just a little bit of sweetness to cut the spice that you could experience from some curry, but again, up to you, you don't have to. From there, we have beautiful mango and red pepper. Mango and red pepper are both full of vitamin C, which is a wonderful antioxidant. It also helps us to absorb the iron that is available in the chicken breast. So we're just gonna go ahead and put those on there. You can make a nice design if you want to, just spreading that out. So here I have slivered the mango. You can also dice the mango. You can use fresh mango, or you could buy frozen mango and just let it thaw a little bit before you put it onto the pizza. If you don't have time to completely bake this off and you would like to be able to put it under the broiler with the cheese on, you can actually do everything. You can warm everything but the mangoes in your pan. This way, though, we're gonna put it into the 400. So we're gonna take this and add in our sweet onion on top. Again, if you have someone in your family that doesn't really enjoy onion, you can certainly leave that off. You also could choose to cook those up in the pan ahead of time. Lots of options when we're making our own dishes. And then I have a mix here of shredded old cheddar cheese and shredded mozzarella cheese. If you prefer, you could use a vegan cheese, or you could use a feta or a goat cheese. Lots of different options depending what you and your family prefer. So we're gonna put this in the oven at 400 for about 15 minutes. We wanna get everything warmed through, get that cheese nice and melted. And we have a really nutritious dish that tastes incredible. The other thing is you could make a second pizza And you could cook them both off. Maybe you're gonna have one on a Sunday evening as a family, and the next day that you could enjoy it for lunch as leftovers. When we serve this up, we could put out a platter of vegetables and hummus or vegetables and guacamole. Maybe we'll put a nice side salad on the plate. I hope that you and your family enjoy this recipe as much as my family does.